What if I told you that behind the scenes of your favorite apps and devices, there's a silent battle raging? A battle of algorithms and intelligent systems that shape the very future of technology. Today, we're diving headfirst into that world with the epic showdown, machine learning versus deep learning. Let's dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence, where two major technologies stand out: machine learning and deep learning. Both are powerhouses driving innovations in industries across the globe, but they are distinct in their capabilities, applications, and the results they deliver. First, let's start with the basics. Machine learning and deep learning are both subsets of artificial intelligence, but they have some key differences. To understand these, let's break it down. Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It's based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Think of machine learning as teaching computers to learn from experience. Popular applications include spam filters, recommendation systems like those used by Netflix, and fraud detection systems in banking. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the model is trained on labeled data. In unsupervised learning, the model finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data. And in reinforcement learning, an agent learns to make decisions by taking actions in an environment to maximize some notion of cumulative reward. Now let's talk about deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence the deep in deep learning. These neural networks are designed to mimic the human brain, allowing the model to learn from vast amounts of data. Each layer in the network extracts different features from the data, building up to more complex patterns. So, what are the key differences between machine learning and deep learning? Firstly, machine learning often relies on simpler algorithms and can work with smaller data sets, while deep learning requires large amounts of data and computational power. Secondly, machine learning models often require feature extraction, where human experts define the features to be used for learning. In contrast, deep learning models automatically discover the features from raw data. Finally, training times can differ significantly. Machine learning models typically train faster, while deep learning models can take much longer due to their complexity and the amount of data they process. Now let's look at some real-world use cases. Machine learning is widely used in email spam detection, recommendation engines like those on YouTube and Amazon, and financial forecasting to predict stock prices. Deep learning powers image recognition systems, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and even autonomous vehicles, enabling them to understand and navigate the world around them. In summary, while both machine learning and deep learning are crucial parts of AI, they have distinct differences in complexity, data requirements, and applications. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the amazing capabilities of AI technology. Thanks for joining us on this AI journey. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated.
Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. Whether you're a user of AI tool, a project manager, AI model developer, a business leader, social media content developer, a policymaker, or just someone curious about the impact of AI, Responsible AI YouTube channel has something for you. We'll break down complex topics into easy-to-understand content, ensuring you stay informed and ahead of the curve. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.